What's up, everybody? I just got a new computer. Let me show you the build. Alright, over here we have the case. 500 watt power supply. This is our Asus Z87A motherboard. We have an Asus GTX 660 graphics card. 1TB hard drive. DVD drive. This is our network card. It has the new 802.11 AC standard, 5 gig bandwidth Wi-Fi, 8 gigs of memory. This is a memory card reader, and this is our processor. It's an Intel Core i5 processor. It's the i5 4670, so no overclocking on this one. Oh, and I also got a free video game download for Daylight. I'm not gonna play this, so if anybody wants to buy off of me, let me know. Alright, let's take a look at the motherboard. Well, let's just look at the box. The Asus Z87A motherboard is just the A version. It's not the deluxe or the pro, just regular vanilla flavor. Well, let's look inside. First, discharge electricity. Ooh, motherboard. Software, save this for later. SLI bridge, I'm not gonna use that right now. This is useful, some pin connectors. This is the back plate. And some more cables. Let's see what we're working with. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty. So let's look at the processor. Intel Core i5 processor. It's the i5 4670. It's a cool unit. So I'm just gonna use the regular CPU fan that comes with the box. No overclocking for this one. Just regular stock fan for me. And this is the processor. Alright, I'm gonna put in the CPU now. See, the arrow goes this way, so here we go, that way. Yeah, it works. Awesome. Alright, now I'm going to put in the cooling unit. Just double check and make sure all the pins went all the way through. Alright, they did. That's good. So I'm going to save the cap for later. Let's take a look at the memory. Oh, cool. We got a bumper sticker. The G-Skill Ripjaw X 8 gig memory. So according to the manual, they're telling me to install this into slot A2 or rail A2. All right, time to put in the memory. All right, let's look at the case. All right, the first thing I need to do is get these cables out of the way. Oh. Box of screws. Alright, I have to take out these panels for my card slots. Alright, now I gotta screw in. Alright, next up is the Wi-Fi. Now honestly, this was a little bit of an overkill. Manual and CD. Save that for later. Let's see. External antenna. With a magnetic base. Okay, this is the video card. All right. What we got here? Manual, software. Save this for later. Wow, it's pretty awesome. Has these cool cooling pipes, 2 fans, HDMI and your other video out ports. Power supply. Okay. Screws. Awesome. Well, there's this really cool green looking fan here, which no one's gonna see because it's gonna go on the inside of the case. And we got a hot mess of wires. Oh, let's see what's going on here. Okay, motherboard. Okay, it's not too bad. It's not god awful. I'm gonna stick my hard drive right in here. All right, let's put in the DVD. All right, all the main components are in. We got motherboard, CPU, network card, graphics card, power supply, hard drive, DVD. Now for the most annoying part, wiring. All right. Wiring to the power to the graphics card. So one thing I'm going to change is the rear fan. The rear fan is originally connected to this top switch right here, where you can manually change the fan speed. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to connect the rear fan to the motherboard so that the motherboard can control the rear fan. Well, I guess now it's as good as any time to install the SATA cables. See, two came with the box. One is an L shape, and the other one is just straight. I'm going to use the L shape one for the hard drive, since it's facing the back, and we use the straight one for the DVD. Alright, so I think what Asus is cool is that they give you this little plug adapter with the stuff clearly labeled so you know what's, so you can deal with this mess. Well, that was easy. HD audio. So I clean up most of the wiring cable off screen. Looks pretty good. This wire was looks like it was gonna get caught in the CPU fans, so I just tied it up here. In the back is tied down on the cables. I managed to get this together and just using just 3 zip ties. So overall, it works super great. The total cost came out to be a little over $1,000, not including rebate. With rebates, it comes out to a little less than $1,000.